How to use Try Home Insurance Norway properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Try Home Insurance is a trusted option in Norway, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or paying too much. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. A common mistake is underestimating coverage. With construction costs rising, your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing belongings. Review your sums insured regularly and adjust for renovations, extensions, or new valuables. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Try policies include personal liability, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is another costly error. Moving, upgrading your home, or acquiring new possessions can change coverage needs. Not notifying Try may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss discounts. Try offers savings for bundled policies, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Ignoring these opportunities can cost hundreds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. Being proactive ensures faster settlements and smoother processing. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Try Home Insurance Norway. Ensure coverage matches your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects both your home and your peace of mind.